Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello to our learning tutorial channel for you. Today, in this tutorial, we will learn how to change CLI font size in Cisco packet tracer. So, for this case, we have to open any kinds of Cisco packet tracer file, which already I have opened it. So, here, first of all, we have to check how the font size it has. Click here. Here, the CLI. The size has been decreased or smaller size which can't see properly in this way, so we will increase the size. So here, close it. Now you will go to the options here. So here the preference we will click. So in preference, see the font size has been revealed here. So click the font. So here the by default CLI, the size has been 8. If we wanna increase the size, so here we will take 15, then click apply. Also close this. Now again we check what kinds of thing has been revealed here. See, the size has been increased. In this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.